Guys, there is some major news. Some people have been speculating that Elon Musk might very well sell his Dogecoin holdings. We're going to be going over that today. We're also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't already, join my Patreon. It's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on all different cryptos, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out and there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. If you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, if you think Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Guys, BitBoy Crypto, one of the largest cryptocurrency YouTube channels on the internet, came out yesterday. In this video, he said that he knows for a fact that Elon Musk is the #1 holder of Dogecoin in the entire world. That is incredibly bullish news. Guys, it's incredibly bullish to know that he is the #1 holder because that makes us realize that he has the #1 stake and he has every reason to pump it through each and every avenue that he has possible. This includes all of his businesses and future businesses that he may start. He's an incredible entrepreneur. Some may argue he's the #1 best entrepreneur in all of existence, and I'm not one to argue that. He then goes to say that he expects for Elon Musk to sell all of his Dogecoin and purchase Bitcoin with it in the future. Maybe not in a few months, but he thinks that in a couple years. Guys, I personally think this is incredibly false. Now, why do I think that? Simply because, as I've said previously, altcoins historically do far better than Bitcoin as far as multiplying profits. And that's why I really focus on those on my Patreon. Therefore, he would only accumulate more Dogecoin at the dips with this theory. Not only that, but if he infuses it in Tesla and a lot of other businesses that he has full control over, he knows that Dogecoin could easily hit $5 or $10, then making his $1 or $2 billion investment a multi-billion dollar investment. With this theory, I truly believe if you put $1 million into Dogecoin now and $1 million into Bitcoin, you'd see that $1 million turn into several million dollars on Doge far before Bitcoin. It might be a year down the road. Guys, what do you think? Do you think Dogecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin within a matter of a couple years? Let me know your thoughts down below. Now, one reason why BitBoy Crypto has it out for Elon Musk and doesn't quite think that he's the best at controlling the market is simply because of Elon Musk's tweets. He believes that Elon Musk made a tweet that crashed Bitcoin, therefore crashing the entire crypto market. However, I believe as a whale that all of the whales got together and got out quickly after Elon Musk's tweet. Sure, it may have been a chain reaction, but did Elon Musk know that this would happen when he tweeted out? Guys, let me know your thoughts down below. There was also a lot of FUD and fear in the markets at this time, so is it really fair to say that this was all Elon Musk's doing? This is a theory of BitBoy Cryptos, but I certainly don't agree with it. Guys, I believe in the long run, Elon Musk will do more for crypto than anybody else. He will announce very soon that Tesla will be accepting Dogecoin as payment along with Bitcoin. And I personally believe that may be one of the biggest milestones for crypto thus far. So you definitely want to be a member of my Patreon before this happens. You want to get in before this news comes out, not after. You don't want to have FOMO and regret and wished you got in earlier. Expect for crypto's biggest bull run and Doge's biggest bull run to happen just thereafter. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also, if you need a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, also in my top pinned comment is my Webull link. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, some major news that'll answer your question as to why Bitcoin dropped so much today. Market Wrap came out with an article titled, "Bitcoin Drops as Traders Await June CPI Inflation Report." This particular report is coming out tomorrow. Generally, when the feds share these inflation reports, you will see a huge sell-off just the day before because people are kind of expecting some bearish news. So there could be another huge dip, which you want to wait for on my Patreon. However, I don't know if there's really going to be a dip this time because I think that the price is already factored into any bad news that comes out tomorrow because of fake news and FUD. Guys, the inflation rate has been affecting the stock market and the crypto market for some while now. Inflation is horrible for the US dollar, therefore affecting the stock market. Oftentimes, the crypto market can follow along with the stock market. Now, there are exceptions at times, however, this is the usual. Now, some good news with this, as inflation increases, people are moving their money more into crypto. They have more confidence in it. They've seen it grow over time, year after year, doubling or more. So that's why they want to put their money into crypto, which will inevitably cause us to see more green candlesticks and more green days. Cryptocurrencies are essentially a hedge against inflation. Now, of course, the update that we've been talking about, the hard fork update coming out later this month for Ethereum, will make it deflationary. And there will be a limited number of coins, therefore causing the price to skyrocket. As the US dollar becomes more devalued every single day, as we print more and more money, more people are going to move into crypto and more mass adoption will occur. You want to get in before this mass adoption. Guys, even if you only have $100, $200, or $500 to invest, it's always good to put it into crypto because we've seen time and time again people doubling their money on my Patreon. Guys, don't forget on the 21st of this month, Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk and a lot of other big names are going to be talking at the Bitcoin conference. And that's likely where Elon Musk is going to announce the acceptance of Dogecoin and Bitcoin for Tesla. It wouldn't surprise me if we saw some huge pumps just before this event. So guys, get ready. Buy at the dip when I announce it, and as we get closer to the event, I'm going to be letting you guys know about some peaks so that you guys can sell just before the event. Like I always tell you, always buy the rumor and sell the news. You want to get in during the hype and then get out just before the news is released so that you can make big profits just as I've been doing for years. Guys, if you look at the chart today, you'll see that Dogecoin has been remaining very resilient. It's more stable than a lot of the other altcoins. Guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see that dip that a lot of the cryptos suffered today, but as I said, it's remaining very resilient. So as you can see, we had a major green candlesticks right here, right as it went up, right? So we had a bottom, it went up, it went down again for a double bottom. And just as I've always said, after a double bottom, we generally have a huge breakout. And based on its resilience, it wouldn't surprise me if it went up 10-20% just within the next 48 hours, especially leading up to this massive Bitcoin event. We had about a 5% bounce for Dogecoin today. So if you guys bought when I told you to buy the dip, you've already made 5% profits, guys. That's pretty good for just a day's time. So guys, stay tuned. You want to subscribe with the bell rung so you get these time-sensitive updates, because tomorrow when they speak about inflation, when they release the report, it's going to have a large effect on cryptos. It might send them sky high. It might send another dip. Guys, be ready for my trade alert and have some cash on the side. Cardano, ADA, a lot of these altcoins are still trading sideways and consolidating. We're seeing more green in Doge than any others. And guys, that's a very bullish symbol. And just a reminder that Doge may very well have some of the best future for crypto. Dogecoin is also holding very strong with its levels of support. It's not going back down to that 16-cent level that I told you guys to buy in at. It's holding strong, and guys, Elon Musk is behind this. So I have the most confidence in Dogecoin personally and Ethereum. And guys, if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts for a lot of different altcoins. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for those steep dips, that rare time to get in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait till we get about a 20 to 30% profit, sometimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.